जपाकुसुमसङ्काशं काश्यपेयम्.
Hello friends, I am Pandit Gagandeep Sharma from Astro Planet, Ambala City, Haryana. I am astrologer, Vastu consultant and gemologist. Today I welcome you to my video. Today the topic of our video is about a very important question indeed. So friends, tell me, are you frustrated with the malefic planets? Are you frustrated with the very bad positioning of malefic planets in your horoscope? Are you frustrated by all the remedies you do and all the solutions you take place to get rid of these malefic planet and the bad positioning planets? Today our video topic is on that. Friends, if you want to get rid of malefic planets and bad positioning planets, you have to understand the process of the planets, that how they affects on us. The birth of astrology is due to the consciousness about the planets effects on us. The people was curious about that what planets affects us, how planets affect us. So if you want to get rid of malefic planets and very bad positioning planets, and you want to get rid of unfortunate, then you have to know the very well processing of planets on effects on humans. So in today's video I try my level best to tell you that how can you do this. Friends, everything in this world affects us. Now science said that in every object has its own energy. Like that, every planet, every zodiac sign, every object in our house and every object in this universe affects us. We can't remove, we can't make us safe from them. How can we save from them? Every planet's effects on our thinking, on our conscious and unconscious mind. When you win the game to win your mind, then you can make it easy to get rid of malefic planets without any remedies, without any stone, without any spiritual process. So if you want to get rid of them, what can we do? This is the topic, this is the main point, main tagline of this video. The today video's heading is Beyond Astrology. There is something which is beyond astrology. Astrology is most important thing. Planets are most important things of the universe, but something is beyond them. Something is give them power, and that thing also give us power. That name is the supreme power, the God. So if you want to get rid of you have to understand the process. The process is our mind. Our mind is controlled by the planets. Mind is not a brain. First you have to clear that point. That is a main point. Mind is not a brain. Brain is another thing, mind is another thing. Brain is only a machine, but mind is not a machine. Mind is our complicated being, and brain is the machine. And when we can control our mind, we can win. So we have to conquer our mind first, and we can like, for example, if for example you are affected by malefic sun in 10th house. So what can you do? You have to read carefully and predict that what is the predictions of 10th house malefic sun, and you have to remember every time in that period that you are affected of malefic sun and what is its effect. And if you are aware of its effect, you can save yourself. And the second thing you can do is to don't allow planets to rule your mind. Don't allow anything to rule your mind. Like for another one example, that when ghost attacks on someone, then if someone affects from the ghost, he make noises, he irritate himself, he irritate society, he irritate surroundings. But when doctor give him injection for sleep, in sleep he is called calm, he is in silence. Why? How? Because with the drugs his mind is sleeping, and when mind is sleeping, not even a single thing like ghost, like planets, like any another things can affect you. So if you can consciously make your mind silent, make your mind in your control, make your mind zero at the time of a negative effects, at the time of the negative periods of the planets, you can save yourself without any remedies, without any stones, without any spiritual or holistic process. So that's our video for the today. Please tell me how you like this video or not, and comment and share. Thank you.